Hello everyone, Sandy here with Sandy's Home and Garden. Welcome to my channel. Today is Tablescape Tuesday and our host is Anna from Grace Life DIY Home Decor. And our theme is freestyle. You can choose whatever you like to do your table. And today I have chosen to do Alice in Wonderland. April happens to be Alice in Wonderland month. So if any one of you have an Alice in Wonderland collection you would like to share, just hashtag Alice in Wonderland. And then also if you want to include your tablescapes, just hashtag Tablescape Tuesday 24. Okay, as you can see, I have done an Alice in Wonderland. And let's start here with the pillows. These are Amazon pillows, and it was just the covers, and I got two of them. And then I got these plates recently from Amazon as well, and I thought they would be beautifully perfect for an Alice in Wonderland theme. And I put it all on a checkered black and white runner. And I even have these playing cards that I made that has the Queen of Hearts, and then I have, well, that one happens to be the Four of Hearts. There's the Queen of Hearts. There's a whole deck of cards that I made. Okay, and the centerpiece is the little teapot with a little round garland with Alice on top. And then I did make this bottle here that says drink me. I just glued it to this bottle. And then I have all my cloches filled with different Alice in Wonderland characters. And then I have one of my cupcakes here in a dessert holder. And there's the Queen of Hearts right there. And that's the Mad Hatter, I believe, right? And I got Tweedledee and Tweedledum. Another cupcake. And there's the rabbit with his clock. And I put a little crystal clock in that cloche. And then there's the cat. And another plate with the little floral plates that have flowers, little yellow flowers on it. And today's tea is pure peppermint. And another Alice in Wonderland pillow here. So let's go around the table. And then I have this chair cover, also I ordered from Amazon quite a few years ago. So I don't know if they still have it. I've tried to look and they are all sold out, but very unique. More of the playing cards. And then I have this little tea tin. Again, that was Amazon with Alice, the rabbit, and the Mad Hatter. And now this, I have two different teas. This one's peach and passion fruit. Very good tea. Okay, again, I want to thank you all for watching. Thanks to Anna from Grace Life DIY. See you next time. Bye bye for now.